Hey guys, it's me Veronica and I'm back with another video. I know I have been gone for a very long time, but I am back and my promise is to start coming up with videos regularly. Really just trying to find a specific and designated day where I will film and a day where the videos will be posted so that I can keep a regular schedule. So that's what I'm going to be working on. This is going to be a different video from my other videos. Some of you know that I do own a small business. I make body care products and I absolutely love it. I've recently because I'm selling from Etsy, but I put it on vacation mode because I'm just revamping it a little bit. I wanted to start making some newer products and, just feel like my business definitely needs a refresher. So that's what I'm in the process of doing. I had made some purchases. Some of them I've already opened, but since I've gotten these ones, I decided, you know what, let's do an unboxing. I ordered from Bramble, which is one of my favorite places to order from. A lot of people use Brambleberry and they're just great. And then I ordered from Micas. Now this is the first time I've ever ordered from them. That's why the package is so small, because I've ordered, what did I order? Just some samples because I've never ordered from them before and I just want to give them a try. And of course, I feel like I'm going to love them anyway. And once I do, I know I'm going to order like full size of everything. So, but definitely just want to try them out first. So I think what I'm going to start off with is the smaller one and then work my way to the bigger box. So if you are interested in watching, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the Micas. I took the wrapping thing off, but I meant not wrapping thing, the packaging off. So let me just open this really quick. I have a little knife on the side that I probably don't even need. Now, if you hear any background noise, that's definitely my kids. They are on summer break, so probably hear them in the background. Oh, and this is what it looks like. Okay, I told you I got samples. I got the neon color shock samples. Look at these colors. Don't mind my nails, they are hideous, but look at these colors. So vibrant. Great for bath bombs and all kinds of different things. So vibrant. Now, the pictures online, I feel like just doesn't do it any justice. These are just so much more vibrant in person. I can't wait to use these. And then I ordered some glitter. I ordered some glitter. It's Fairy Tale Princess. I ordered all samples. Now I regret not getting full size of anything, but I will be ordering more. And look at, they gave me some candy and a sample. This is so cute. I am a member of their Facebook group online, so I've seen other people opening their packages, and let me just say, I was just so excited because I was like, "Ooh, I might get a sample." Ooh, they gave me something else. Always a bridesmaid. That is so cute. The color is so pretty. And they gave me some Smarties, which the kids are gonna definitely take from me, but you know, I love this. Their packaging is just amazing. I love stuff like that, little surprises. Thank you, Micas. I don't know if you guys are interested in ordering from them. Here's their information. Like I said, I'm a member of their Facebook group as well. So. I've been wanting to try these Micas for a really long time. But what's made me like really be like, you know what, let me just go and purchase them and stop procrastinating was when I was watching Katie's videos. Katie is she owns Royalty Soaps. I love her videos. They're just like super relaxing to watch and funny. And she just makes some amazing soaps, and I believe she uses this a lot and the cheesy poof. And they're like super vibrant. So, and I think she used the radioactive too. And so I was like, listen, I just need to try them for myself. So I'm just very excited and glad that I went and purchase. Even though they're samples, I'm going to try them out now and then order bigger ones a little later on. Okay, now to open Brambleberry. Now, Brambleberry, when you used to order online, you was able to pick a sample of something. They don't have that option anymore for some reason. But that's what I used to get really excited about. Like, after I ordered something, I was able to get a sample of something and be able to pick the sample that I wanted. Okay, there we go. Okay, looks like my order's split. And their card with the information on there. I've always loved their packaging. I feel like they do such an amazing job packaging some of their stuff because they make sure it is safe. And that's how it looks when you walk in. What am I doing? That's how it looks. I've ordered a lot of fragrance oils, essential oils, things like that, because I started running out and their prices are really good. So I have some eucalyptus. I also ran out of lemongrass essential oil and I was like, you know what, let me go and get some. So I ordered some of that. And I have peppermint. So, great packaging. I don't know what this stuff is, but it definitely protects whatever's in this box. And here we are. So I have some castor oil that I had ran out of. I ordered some more titanium dioxide. And then I got this one, this Kelly Green. Ooh, this is so pretty. This was on sale. I guess it's like one of their Christmas in July specials that they had. So I was like, let me go grab that. That is so pretty. And then I got Sunset Orange Mica for another project that I'll be working on. I'll be making some soaps within a few days, the next few days. So I'm really excited about that. Look at that. Oof, so pretty. But this is for another project too. Cappuccino Mica. And we have some activated charcoal. This is new packaging. The last time they used to come in bags and I had just ran out on my order from Brambleberry and I love it. This is amazing. And then I have some avocado oil, some palm oil. And I got some melt and pour bases. I think I forgot I ordered 2 things of palm oil. Because they're small projects, you know. I ordered some vitamin E. Some more melt and pour. Titanium dioxide. Huh. I think I did order 2. I don't know why, but... And... what is this? Oh, rose clay. See, this is new too. They used to put it in these little plastic baggies. So I have another project that I'll be using this for some natural soap. And I believe that is it. So that's all I ordered from Brambleberry. And from Micas. I will be, like I said, posting more videos. And the next video that, like I said, my kids are at home, so you'll probably be hearing them yelling in the background. Sorry about that. But I will be posting more videos, more planner-related videos, more videos pertaining to Jujubee, because as we all know, they have a Camp Toki collaboration that will be... Actually, I believe they have the trunk shows going on today, if I'm not mistaken. And then they have the online release going on tomorrow. So where I'm at, I have to wait until 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, but the release starts at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. So I can't wait for that. So that'll be definitely the next video. I got my fingers crossed, hoping that I'm able to score what I want not what I need, but what I want. And something that I've been wanting for my baby girl for a really long time. I've tried everything and was never able to score anything. So I'm hopeful that I'm lucky this time. I will be coming up with more videos, so I will see you guys in the next one. You guys enjoy your week. I know I will. I'm gonna be having a lot of fun making stuff with this. Like I said, I have other things, but this is my like smaller orders. I will see you guys next time. Bye.